Today, we're showcasing high-precision metal components crafted at Steel Lab. What you're seeing is a stainless steel part with detailed threading, made specifically for secure connections. The machining quality is top-notch, ensuring both durability and performance in real-world applications. This level of craftsmanship helps guarantee both safety and efficiency in any industrial setup. At Steel Lab, we combine speed and precision to deliver the best. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more metalworking and fabrication content.